How to send money with Remitly. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can send money with Remitly, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to send money with Remitly, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all just make sure to launch the Remitly application here. Once you launch the Remitly app, you want to make sure that you're signed into your account, and right on the home page you will see this type of interface where you also find the option called Get Started. So when you tap the Get Started option, you can just send it to one of the existing recipients, or you can simply send it to a new recipient over here, and now you can simply enter that recipient's bank account details and so on. So first of all, select from where you want to send, from USD let's say, and then they receive this much. Once you select that, you can select delivery method such as express or maybe the economy as well. So once you select express or economy, you can just tap the continue option here, and once you tap on continue option, you'll be able to go ahead and first of all delivery method, you can select bank deposit or UPI, cash pickup, whatever else it is you prefer. You can just select to which bank account you would like to send, and once you've done that, you can enter the account number and the money will get sent depending upon the few business days period. This way you'll be able to send money on Remitly. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.